Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video we will explain how you can install the rabbit management platform on your iPhone. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe so that you get all the latest videos from our channel. To install the app, you have to go to the App Store and search for Rabbitry, Rabbitry. You should see this app with this icon, so please make sure you install the correct one. So you should see all the screenshots there. Now hit this cloud icon to install the app, and once the app is installed, please open the app. Okay, once the app is installed, click the open button and it should ask you to log in with Google. Click on login with Google and select the ID that you would like to install this app with. So now I am inside the platform, and as you can see, I am on the My Rabbits page. There are no rabbits that I have added. So in order to add the rabbit, you can click this plus icon with the box on the top right corner. We have this summary page, but for now we don't have anything on it, and we have vaccination page as well, and then the videos page. On the videos page you can find more information related to your rabbitry and some guidelines and help videos. So go back to the My Rabbits and click this plus icon on the top right. Now you should see that what information you can add for your rabbit. The first one is the current status, so you can select between different status. So for now I will select the active. Then you can add the pedigree information as well. So right now I will leave this empty, but in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can add and use this information. Next is the breed, selection of the breed and the color. So let's select some breed, and you can also type the breed into the text box as well, and you can also type the color. So let's choose the color red. Then you can select the date of birth of the rabbit. Then you can choose the gender, whether it's a buck or doe. I will select the buck. Enter some weight of your rabbit, and then choose the identification number. It could be ear number or cage. So let's choose it ear for now and put some number of your rabbit ear. So when you go back, you should see that you have now one cage added. So let's add another cage, and this blue color shows that it's a buck. So let's add another cage with some information and choose the gender as doe. So you should see the color difference between the buck and the doe on the main screen when we will add this cage. So let's go back and see what is the difference between these two cages. So the pink one is a doe and the blue one is a buck. So in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can add more information to your cages. For example, for the does you can add breeding logs, and for the bucks you can also view the information for successful matings and all the information. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and hope you have liked this video. Please share this app with other friends as well who has the rabbit farm, and also please make sure you have subscribed to our channel, and you can get latest information. We have other videos on our channel as well, so please feel free to go and check other videos as well. Thank you so much guys, and have a nice day. Bye.